Hi, hello. Welcome to another episode of Python class. In the last class, we have completed different data types we have used in Python. In this class, we are going to see the Python operators. Okay, let's move into the lesson. In this class, we will learn what are operators and its different types. That is arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical, membership, and identity operators. These are the operators we are going to learn today. Okay. First of all, what are operators? Okay. Do you have any idea about operators? Okay, I will tell the definition of operators. It is used to perform some specific mathematical or logical operations on values. Nothing but it is used to perform some operations. Here I have given two, two variables, that is x is equal to 10, y is equal to 5. If we want to do some operations like arithmetic, like addition or subtraction, for that purpose, we are using some operators. That is, for addition, we are using the arithmetic operator plus sign. Is it? If you want to do the addition, we just putting the operator in between these two operands. Okay? These x and y are called operands, and the symbol we have used to do the operation is called the operator. Okay, here we have used plus symbol. Is it? So, this operator is called the arithmetic operator. Okay. Arithmetic operators are different types actually. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, and exponent. Okay. These much arithmetic operators are used in Python. Okay. Addition, we know that it is used to add two variables, or we can also use it to add concatenation operation, that is string addition we can do with this plus symbol. Okay, string concatenation. Okay, subtraction is also we are used to subtract the variables. Okay, if we want to do some subtraction, we can use this symbol, minus symbol. Multiplication, division, these are all same function we are doing. Modulus. Modulus means what? It divides the operand on left side by the operand on right and returns the remainder. Actually, modulus is used to find out the remainder. Okay. Floor division means what? It actually doing the normal division but returns the quotient by removing the decimal part. Okay, it also called, we can also call it as integer division. Floor division we can call it as integer division. Okay, and exponent means what? Exponent you know that it perform the calculation, raise the operand on left to the power of operand on the right. If you want to do some, see, I will show you one example. See, if you want to find out the power of 2 cube, in this we are using this exponent function. Okay, how we can write by this? If we are giving num num1, actually it's difficult to write with this pen. Okay, number 1 equal to I am giving 3. Okay, or number 2 same as num2 equal to 4. Okay, if you want to find out the exponent, how we can write this? You just do num 1 exponent, that is double multiplication symbol, double star you should write, and the variable name num2. What will be the output? Can you guess what will be the output? Nothing. 3 power, that is 3 power 4, which means 81. Is it 81? Clear? This is the function of exponent doing. Okay, moving to the next slide. Next, we are going to see the assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign or changes the value of the variable on its left side. Okay, here I have given one example, x is equal to 10. What does it mean? That is, this 10 value is assigned to the operator x, the variable x. That is left hand side, what is this x means? X is a variable. Okay, this equal to operator we are using. So this equal to is the assignment operator. So this 10 value of 10 is assigned to the variable x. And in the next step, we can see that x plus is equal to 5. That means what? X plus, okay, x plus is equal to 5 means x equal to x plus 5. Okay, x plus 5. Here we have already we have the value of x equal to 10. So here I have giving the value of x here 10, and here already we have 5. So total what will be the output? We will get 50. Likewise, this assignment operator is working. Okay, we have plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, division equal to. These all are working like work like this. Okay, x plus equal to 5 means, that means x equal to x plus 5. Likewise, here I am giving x minus equal to 5 means, that means what? X is equal to x minus 5. So here we have 10. 10 minus 5 becomes 5. Answer will be 5. For if we are using this assignment operator. I hope it's clear. Okay. Next, we have the operator comparison. Comparison operator, or else we can call it as relational operators. Relational operators are used to comparison. Used for what? Comparison. Compare the values of the operands on its either side and it determine the relationship among them. Okay. Here I have given print 10 equal to 10. So here both the values are same. So comparing these values. So it will result the value of true. Okay, equal to means same. If both the values are true means it will result, the result will be true. If not equal to means not equal to, we are giving the operator not equal to. If the values of two operands are not equal, then the condition is true. Otherwise, it is false. Likewise, we have less than, greater than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These type of comparison operators are available in Python. Okay. Next, we have logical operators. Logical operators are nothing but, it will do the, mainly we have three logical operators: and, or, not. Okay. These are all the logical operators supported by Python, and it should be written in lowercase only. You should remember these three keywords, that is logical operator. You should write in the small letter. Here I have given the code which is used in the small Python program. Here I will explain the function of AND. And the logical AND works if both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. What I have said, both the operands are true. True and true means the result will be true. Okay. Here the first line I have given that num1 equal to 10, num2 equal to minus 20. These num1, num2 are two variables and I have given the values. First variable I have given 10 and the next variable I have given the value minus 20. I am checking boolean of num1 and num2. Yes, these two if we are doing and both are, we will get the result 10. Is it? My 10 minus 20 means and by doing it we will get the result true, because if we multiply this means we will get some integer. Is it? Integer value we will get. So that means it is true. If we are multiplying these, if one value is true and another value is false, means if we are doing multiplication, and means basic thing you should remember in your mind that it is multiplication, logically multiplying. Okay. True and false means if I am giving another variable num3 equal to 0. Okay, num3 equal to 0. And now I am doing the Boolean operation with these num1 and 3. That is 10 into 0. 10 into 0 becomes 0. That means false will, that is the result will be false. Okay. So, likewise, if we are doing the operations between false and false means we will get false result. Okay, true and true means true, but true and false means false and false means false. Only when two operators are true, at that time only we will get the result true in the case of AND operation. I hope it's clear. Okay. Then next we have OR operator. OR operator is nothing but we are doing the addition, or addition means if any of the two operands are true, any one is true, the result will be true. Okay. Of the result is true, the answer will be true. Here I have given two operations, that is true or true, that will result true. Here the next line true or false. So here one result, one operation, one operand is false. So but any of the one, any one is true means the result will be true. Okay. Here num1 or num3, what will be the result? Num1. Here in the previous we have the value num1 equal to 10. So here you assume that the variable num1 is 10. Okay. Num3 is 0. So, but the result is true. How it will happen? Here 0, but the answer is true. What did you get what I mean? Num1 means any one numerical value, that is 10. So 10 is true. So answer is true. Then false or false means the result will be false. Okay. In the next case, we are going to see the NOT operation. NOT operation, here num1 NOT operation means used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Reversing its logical operation. If we are giving the value true, it will result false. If we are giving the value false, it will result the true value. Reversing the logical operation. Here I have given num1 equal to 10 and I am going to check boolean of num1. Okay. Okay. It will give the result. Normally it will give the result true. But if I am giving not num, in front of I am giving not, the keyword not. Not num1 means what will be the result? It will be give the result false. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Okay, we are going to the next slide. Next is identity operators. Identity operators we have, there are two types of identity operators in Python, is and is not, which is used to determine whether the value of a variable is of a certain type or not. Type means what? We have learned data types, integer, num, boolean, etc. Okay. Here it is identity operator is not. These are the two identity operators we have in Python, which is used to determine whether the value of a variable is of a certain type or not. Okay. And one more purpose it has. What does it? It is used to determine whether two variables are referring to the same object or not. Okay. Same object or not. We will check first its type. Num1 equal to 5. Here I am going to check the type. Type of num1 is int. Is int. We are checking is the variable type is integer. Yes, it is integer. So the result will be true. Is it? I am giving num2 equal to num1 and id of num1. So its identity, that is identity means its id. id will print. Okay. Here the number, its id will be printed. And next we have, I have given, again I am checking the id of num2. So the same id will be printed. From this we can assume that both are referring to the same object. Is it? These two are referring to the same object. So num1 is num2. Yes, it is true. Okay. I hope it's clear. Is and is not are the two identity operators we have in Python. Okay. In this class, we have learned arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, membership, and identity operators. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Let's see in the another class. Thank you for watching.